Let's cut a deal. They win, let's cut a deal. Bill Henry. Give me a vote in the committee. Hey, Bill Henry, could you come over and give me an extra vote? Could you get down here on time? We're going to start the count. I need your help. That's the deal. My dad would say, a favor for a vote, a favor for a favor. You know, it's the way things is done. Yes, the currency is loyalty, a vote, support for the common cause. Larry Hoover was in 1974, he was just a 24-year-old young man, 23, 24-year-old young man. Just out of teenage adolescence. Just out of the civil rights era of the 1960s. Trying to bring his people together to protect the community. Yeah, they made some mistakes. Who don't? But he was wronged because he was symbolic, a leader trying to bring his people together in pursuit of the American dream and the pursuit of participation in the American political process, the democratic process in this United States of America. We've always looked out for each other. Our people have been the most oppressed in world history. We've always been there for each other, our people. We would ask that you free Larry Hoover.